Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A5 2020, and today I'll show you how to format the SD card. So to begin, you want to open up settings, and from settings scroll down to additional settings, I think. See right here, and you'll find storage. Now choose your SD card right here, and you will find now format SD card. Tap on it, it will give you a message that it will remove all data from the SD card. So you might want to back up your SD card before you proceed with this. And if you already have done that, or you don't really care about losing the data from the SD card, then you can just proceed on by tapping on format SD card. And if you have some kind of pattern set, which I do, as you can see, you'll need to confirm it. Now, if you don't really need to do anything, you just skip that step. And here it asks you again the same exact question, telling you basically the same exact message that it will remove everything. Are you sure? Yep. Tap on format SD card and the process will begin. It takes just several seconds. Once it's finished, the card will be immediately ready to be used again, as it is right now. So that is how you would format the SD card. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.